don't just want to live longer, you want to live better. Healthspan matters more than lifespan. What's the point of living to 90 if the last 20 years are disease-ridden? Dependent? The goal is to extend healthy years. Compress disease into the shortest possible window. Live well, then die quickly. Longevity science has exploded in recent years. We understand aging better than ever. It's not mysterious. It's biological processes we can influence through lifestyle, through intervention. You're not helpless. Genetics loads the gun. Lifestyle pulls the trigger. The 9 hallmarks of aging are the mechanisms that drive biological aging. Genomic instability, telomere attrition, epigenetic alterations, loss of proteostasis, deregulated nutrient sensing, mitochondrial dysfunction, cellular senescence, stem cell exhaustion, altered intercellular communication. These sound technical, but they're targetable through how you live. Exercise is the closest thing to a longevity drug. It impacts every hallmark of aging, improves mitochondrial function, clears senescent cells, enhances proteostasis, regulates nutrient sensing, maintains stem cells. Nothing else does all this. Not supplements, not drugs, just movement. Strength training specifically prevents age-related muscle loss. Sarcopenia. This is not just about aesthetics. Muscle mass predicts mortality. Weak people die younger, strong people live longer, healthier, more independent. You need to build it, maintain it, prioritize it. Cardiovascular fitness also predicts longevity. VO2 max, your maximal oxygen uptake. The higher it is, the longer you live. This is dose dependent. Small improvements in VO2 max create large reductions in mortality risk. You build VO2 max through high-intensity training. Caloric restriction extends lifespan in every species tested. Mice, monkeys, probably humans. Eating less activates longevity pathways. AMPK, sirtuins. Autophagy. The body shifts from growth mode to repair mode. You don't have to starve, but chronic overconsumption accelerates aging. Intermittent fasting mimics caloric restriction benefits without reducing total calories. 12 to 16-hour overnight fast. This gives your digestive system a break, allows cellular cleanup, improves insulin sensitivity, reduces inflammation. It's not magic, but it's beneficial. Protein is crucial for longevity. Despite caloric restriction extending life, adequate protein is essential. Especially as you age, you need it to maintain muscle. To support immune function. Protein restriction might help in youth, but in older age it accelerates decline. Sugar accelerates aging. Glycation, advanced glycation end products, AGEs, these damage proteins, create inflammation, accelerate aging of skin, blood vessels, organs, brain. Sugar is not just empty calories, it's actively aging you faster. Minimize sugar, especially added sugar. Chronic inflammation is a driver of aging. Inflammaging. Low-grade inflammation throughout the body. From poor diet, lack of exercise, stress, poor sleep. This inflammation damages tissues. Accelerates cellular aging. Anti-inflammatory lifestyle is anti-aging lifestyle. Autophagy is cellular cleanup, your cells eating damaged components. Recycling them. This maintains cellular health, prevents accumulation of junk. Fasting induces autophagy. Exercise induces autophagy. Both are essential. You need regular periods where your body shifts into cleanup mode. Social connection predicts longevity as strongly as not smoking. Lonely people die younger. Social people live longer. This isn't just correlation. Social isolation creates chronic stress, inflammation, immune suppression, whereas connection reduces stress, improves health behaviors, provides support. Purpose and meaning extend life. People with strong sense of purpose live longer, healthier. This might be through stress reduction, through better health behaviors, through immune function. Find what matters to you, what gives life meaning. This protects against despair, against decline. Stress management is crucial for longevity. Chronic stress shortens telomeres, increases inflammation, dysregulates hormones, impairs immune function, accelerates aging. You can't eliminate stress, but you can change your response to it through meditation, through exercise, through rest. Sleep is when repair happens, when growth hormone releases, when cellular cleanup occurs, when the brain detoxifies. Poor sleep accelerates aging. Good sleep slows it. This is non-negotiable. If you're doing everything else right but sleeping poorly, you're still aging faster. Genetics matter, but less than you think. Maybe 20 to 30% of lifespan is genetic. The rest is lifestyle. Epigenetics, how genes are expressed. This is influenced by everything you do. You're not a prisoner of your genes. The centenarians who live to 100 plus have good genes, often, but they also have good habits. They stay active, maintain social connections, eat real food, don't overeat, manage stress, find purpose. These aren't genetic, these are choices. Start now, not when you're older, not when you're sick. Now. The best time to optimize for longevity was 30 years ago. The second best time is now. Every day you wait is a day of unnecessary aging. But every day you practice these principles is a day of repair, of optimization. You get one body, one life. How long it lasts and how well you live it are largely under your control. Not completely, but significantly. Don't waste this power. Age well, live long, stay strong. These aren't luxuries, they're possibilities, available to anyone willing to prioritize them.